Nothing has officially announced the launch of its first smartphone under the CMF sub-brand, the CMF Phone 1. The device features a modular design, with replaceable back covers and accessories. Nothing comes with that replacement back covers, are available in black, blue, light green, and orange. Additional accessories such as a battery pack, wallet, and kickstand can attach to the back of the phone, using a proprietary mechanism involving 5 flathead screws. A unique SIM ejector tool, which also functions as a flathead screwdriver, will be bundled with the phone. The CMF Phone 1 boasts a sturdy build with a glass front and options for a plastic back or a silicone polymer back eco-leather. Its 6.67-inch AMOLED display supports a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+, delivering vibrant visuals with a typical brightness of 500 nits and a peak of 2000 nits. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset, the phone ensures robust performance. The main camera setup includes a 50-megapixel wide-angle lens and a 2-megapixel depth sensor, capable of 4K video recording with gyro eyes. For selfies, there's a 16-megapixel wide-angle lens. The device features a 5000 mAh non-removable battery, supporting 33-watt wired charging and 5-watt reverse wired charging. It doesn't support wireless charging, with up to 45 hours and 30 minutes of music playback. Additionally, the phone includes an under-display optical fingerprint sensor for enhanced security. The main camera setup, while considering medium quality, provides decent performance for everyday use. The 50-megapixel wide lens captures clear and detailed photos under good lighting conditions, making it suitable for casual photography. The 2-megapixel depth sensor enhances portrait shots by providing a pleasing bokeh effect. Video recording is also reliable, with 4K resolution and gyro eyes ensuring smooth and stable footage. Overall, the camera system is well suited for capturing memorable moments and sharing them on social media. Despite not being on par with flagship models, in comparison, the Nothing OS offers a refined user experience that performs quite well. It is designed to be clean and minimalistic, focusing on smooth performance and user-friendly features. The OS is optimized to work seamlessly with the hardware, ensuring quick app launches, smooth animations, and efficient battery usage. With regular updates and a focus on privacy, Nothing OS provides a reliable and enjoyable experience for everyday smartphone use. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates.